In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Adobe Firefly. So to do that, first head over to adobe.com/products/firefly.html. You can see right here your Firefly, which is your AI-powered creative space to generate images, videos, and links. So you can see right here the sample for this, and as you can see, you can describe what you want to create. So for example, let's input right here, dog chasing a ball. And after that, you can click on this generate. But as you have noticed, this will prompt us to actually log in to our Adobe Firefly. When you send this prompt, they will prompt you to log in. So if you want to actually install or download this, you need to head back right here into your previous board. And you can head over and then download it. Now, Adobe Firefly is available as a side option onto any Adobe apps, like for example, the Express, Acrobat, as well as Lightroom, Photoshop. So it exists like a sidebar AI that helps you generate creative spaces. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.